Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. We are here with Sunber hair today and we're installing a 𝚑𝚑𝚂𝚗𝚁𝚑 unit. I have been obsessing over these units, so let's get into it. So today, like I said, we're installing their 7x5 lace closure 𝚑𝚑𝚂𝚗𝚁𝚑 wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. It's 180% in density and it's 24 inches and it comes with baby hairs. And the texture of this unit is water wave hair. So look how pretty this looks, y'all. Straight out the box. Don't play with Sunber. We're getting right into the install. This is the same day. Okay, I haven't washed or conditioned the hair. I'm installing it straight out the box. I am just putting the elastic band on, making sure everything is fitted properly. So the hair was super duper soft. It didn't have any type of smell. We just, getting a feel and look at this gorgeous, gorgeous unit. This is what it looks like up close. Of course, we're going to have to tint the lace. And lately, I have been using cream foundation to tint the lace. And when I tell you guys that is a game changer, it has been a game changer for me because, I don't know, y'all know I love me some Kiss Temptation, but this cream foundation has been just making my melts look flawless. This is what it looks like once I fully covered it with the cream foundation. And I'm just putting it on. And look at this. Y'all cannot tell me this does not look like scalp. Stop playing. Today I'm just going in to secure it down using my even spray. I'm going to use 1.5 layers. Like I said, since it is in the cooler months, we're in fall, winter now, baby, we don't need to layer up because our wig ain't going to be sliding off. We're not going to be sweating and doing all that stuff. I'm just going in with my blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and we're just going to allow the product to get tacky. Once the product is tacky, we're going to go ahead and lay it down. Do be mindful though, some areas can dry quicker than others, so you may have to go back in and, just re-adhere it down, and y'all gonna see me doing it in a minute. So this is what I was talking about, because y'all see this? It look like it's laid down, but it ain't. It ain't. So we're just gonna add a little bit more product and secure it down. Y'all see the way it just folded down, like lay me down, lay me down. And this is not a full lace closure. It's more like a closure with edges. I do want to put that out there because I know she can get frontal vibes, but it ain't. We're going to comb these baby hairs out. I just want to make sure no product is stuck in the baby hairs before I actually put my bands on to melt the lace. So we're going to do the double band method today. I'm putting 2 bands on, one from Amazon and one from Sunber. And I'm going to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so we let her sit. She looked good. One thing that they do provide us with is a middle part. I'm just going in to straighten it up just a little bit. Just going in to detangle the hair thoroughly. We start from the bottom and working our way up to the roots. You never want to start from the roots to the bottom. You're going to have a bunch of unnecessary tangling, okay? So I did get a few snags here and there, and I did get some shedding during this process as well. But I really love this water wave hair texture. I'm just going to go in with some wax and hot comb the hairline because, of course, we need this hairline on point. So I'm just putting wax all over the hairline, and I'm following that with my hot comb. And I love to press my hot comb down slightly at an angle so the imprint of the comb, I don't even know if that makes sense, like the imprint of the comb shows on the hairline. I don't know if that makes sense. I always say, do not forget the back of your head. It's going to look like you got a helmet on, a hat on, and it's going to be a dead giveaway that it's a wig. For these baby hairs, you can customize them. I took some of them out because, like I said, it's too much. It was too thick. I also did trim them up because y'all know I do not like my baby hairs touching my eyebrows. I used to do that back in the day, and I'm like, girl, no. So now I'm just going to go ahead and swoop these into position. Like I said, they already come framed and swooped for you. So if you do struggle with baby hairs, you already got a guideline. They semi-swoop. So I just spray my brush with Got To Be glue spray to form these and keep them in place. I just randomly decided to go in and do a style because I don't really style my units too often. Now, one, I could have went in and executed this style 100% better, but I was on a time crunch, so I ain't had time to be a perfectionist. So I just did what I did and called it a day. Now, I did jump on Pinterest and seen this style, so that's what I'm doing today. And I can't say it's recreating because it's just literally copying exactly the picture. So yeah, so we're gonna do about 4 braids in total. So now we're just going in to do the top 2 braids, and then we're gonna put this in a ponytail. Now on my head in specific, I always have a hard time making everything look, I think, symmetrical. I can't get both sides to look the same to save my life. I don't know why, but we gonna make it work. And now we're just gonna put this in a ponytail, and we're just gonna call it a day, okay? I do spray some water so everything can lay flat. You can use a what is it, soft brush or brush as well to brush everything up. All right, so lastly, I'm just gonna go in with some wax on the side and just hot comb these side pieces down so the edge of the closure won't be showing. This is gonna be it for this install. Like I said, it was very quick. It was very easy. Anybody can do these. Like, don't play with it, okay? This is one of my favorite textures of hair right now. I'm just loving this water wave texture. I actually like it dried, blown out versus it being wet. I try to add some little butterflies to just be different, okay? But this is what the hair looks like wet. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All the information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.